love, is a self-care motivation video. In today's video, I invite you to a cozy self-care evening. We are going to take care of our skin, cook some good lasagna, take a full shower, and relax in a sauna. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. So love, the lasagna turned out very good. It was still very hot. You guys know you have to let it cool off, but we were so hungry. And of course, the people that make lasagna know that the lasagna always tastes good the next day. But we were so hungry, we just ate it. It was still good, and we have some wine. We adults. Now it's time to take care of our skin. So guys, I keep my skincare routine very simple, especially in the evening. I have to remove all the makeup. I'm using this eau micellière. C'est une eau démaquillante. Now I'm just going to go ahead and cleanse my face using all-in-one facial cleanser. This is an all-in-one facial cleanser, exfoliant, tearless, antioxidant rich. Next, I'm using a toner. This toner is alcohol-free because I have a very sensitive skin. Then for the night, I'm going to use either a collagen or retinol serum and tap it up with a fragrance and oil-free face lotion. So love, before I hop in the shower, I love to take some time to do some lymphatic massages and dry brushing. This process helps improve circulation, reduce swelling, exfoliate dead skin, and stimulate the lymphatic system. I have become a great advocate of doing this. It's shower time.
speed to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. So loud as the hours pass, we're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, the summer sky, it was the best we